I used to think that failure meant that you were falling behind in life. But now I'm starting to realize that it's the shortcut. Failure, it's what you need to evolve. You see, recently I lost my job. And when all this happened, I had an identity crisis. I was lost with no direction, confused on how to proceed further with my life. And overall, I was definitely in a funk. But if I didn't have this situation happen to me, I wouldn't have realized that I was comfortable. And I needed this to level up my own life. When everything's going well, you stay doing the same things that you usually do. And for me, that meant mostly the wrong things. I was comfortable, I wasn't reaching my full potential, and I was leaving a lot left in the tank. Whether that was with the employer before and just in my life outside of it. There was a lot of things that I should have been doing, that I could have been doing, and I allowed myself my negative beliefs to stop me from doing the things I should have been doing this whole time. And this allowed me to take a step back, reflect on my current situation, and reveal to me the truth. This failure in my life right now, it's allowed me to realize a lot. It's given me clarity on things I want going forward. And realizing that the life I want, it entails certain things. This whole phase right now in my life, it's taught me to really realize what I want. And I realized that I don't want to be trading my freedom for money forever. I realized I want location freedom to be wherever I want and to be working. It made me realize that I want time freedom to use my time how I see fit. And it made me realize that I need more skills in my life that no one can take away from me and things that I could leverage. And when life gets uncomfortable, it really helps you realize that you got to stop lying to yourself. The whole situation that I've been dealing with recently, it's allowed me to realize that I need to change. I need to evolve, right? And I've been doing this by working on my habits. All the things that I used to do, I'm making sure that I keep them in check. Things like going to the gym, my health, eating the right things. I'm continuing to do that, and I'm working on bettering my habits. I'm reading every day now, and I'm staying disciplined with the things I need to do even when I don't feel like it. I started YouTube. I started being on TikTok. So if you see these videos, that's why. I'm being consistent in all the things that I need to do for myself. And overall, I'm becoming someone new. I'm becoming the version of myself that I should have been all along. Because the version of you that gets everything that they want, it's the version that gets built through the hard times. And I'm dealing with these hard times right now, quote unquote. Um, However, it's not the end of the world. It's allowing me to change and become a better person. And for that, I'm thankful. I'm appreciative for these times. So maybe the failures in life, they aren't really punishing you. Maybe it's life just forcing you to do the things that you should have been doing all along. And on that note, guys, that's all I got for this one. I'll see you on the next one. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe and take care. Peace.